How to transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to know is that we need to have a primary PayPal account and a secondary PayPal account. So first, let's sign on to our primary PayPal account in here, and let's go to our quick links and hit on send money. The next thing that you need to do is when you're routed to the send money page, input your secondary PayPal account. Click on enter, after which input the amount of money that you would be sending to that person, and then hit on continue. Now here, all you need to do is to input your Gcash MasterCard account and input all the necessary information. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.